very good evening to the viewers of Lex Click. Myself, Vidit Kaushik, and I'm working as an intern in Lexis and Company. Today's our topic is contempt of court. Contempt of court is the offense being defiant or disrespectful to the court of law, being impolite to legal authorities in the courtroom, or rebelliously failing to follow a court order may draw contempt of court proceedings. A judge can levy sanctions such as penalty or prison for someone who found as guilty of contempt of court. In the age of social media, the balance between freedom of speech and anything that scandalizes the court has to be revisited. The Supreme Court and the High Courts derive their power from the Constitution of India, while the procedure is outlined in the Contempt of Court 1971. So, what is the definition of contempt of court? Basically, it divides into two categories: being disrespectful to legal authorities and willfully failing to obey a court order. When a court decides that an action constitutes contempt of court, it can issue an order that, in the context of a court or in a trial or hearing, declares a person or organization to have disobeyed or been disrespectful in the court in front of the judge. That is the judge's strongest power to impose sanctions for acts that disrupts the court's normal process. So, what is the punishment for contempt of court? A finding of being in contempt of court may result from a failure to obey a lawful order of a court, showing disrespect for the judge. A judge may impose sanctions such as fine or jail for someone found guilty of contempt of court, which makes contempt of court a process crime. Judges in common law system usually have more extensive power to declare someone in contempt than judges in civil law system. According to the Indian Penal Code, Section 12 of Contempt of Court Act 1971, contempt of court can be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which may extend to 2,000 rupees, or with both. Thank you.